guys, Discount Diva here, and I wanted to share with you guys a makeup Dollar Tree haul. I picked up a few items. Some items were new to me, so I wanted to share, like these eyebrow scissors from Sassy Chic. I figure this would be necessary when you want to just, fix up your eyebrows yourself. So this is a good deal for $1. I also picked up, this little compact eyelash curler. This would be great when you're going away and you just want to put small things, into your makeup bag. You don't want to take a big eyelash curler, and this is just perfect because it could just fit anywhere. And I thought it would be nice to try it out. I actually want to open it up now to see. I haven't seen these from Sassy Chic, these little compact ones. So this is what it looks like. And how do I open it? Oh, okay. Oh, all right. So you clip that back and then you, what is this side for? Strange. All right, I'm gonna try it. It has to be that's how you use it, right? No. Yeah. No way, let me see. Okay, I feel like it's grabbing something. See that? See my little lashes? So little from the the strip-ons. Okay, got a little curl. See that? It lifted a little something. You saw that? Compared to, yeah, it did. Okay, I see you. And it even pulls one out. Alright. Okay, see that? It grabbed. I like to pick up these little items from the Dollar Tree because you can always just keep them in your car, keep them as an emergency. These could fit anywhere. They're not so big to lug around. And yeah, I picked it up. I just gotta touch it up with some mascara, but this is cool. Okay, so it just, that's how you would curl it. Yeah, you see how it lifts my eyelash? Cool. All right, so I picked that one up from Sassy Chic. And this one blew my mind because this is a name brand. This is True Match, and it is a mineral makeup with sunscreen and SPF of 19. So, and it comes with a nice brush. I picked this one up from True Match. These are about 12 bucks at the pharmacy. Maybe you can get them for 10 at Walmart, but to find these at the Dollar Tree, it was a great deal. And the only color that I saw was honey beige, but I think I can get away with it. So let's see what it would look like. This is nice. And the fact that it has SPF, it's even a bigger plus. So let's see. They had a few of them. I should have picked up another one. So yeah, this is by True Match, and this is great to find. It's great to find name brands at the Dollar Tree. So let's sample this out. Kind of works out that I have a bare face with no makeup. So I lifted the sticker. And I'm going to pour some in here because that's what I think you have to do. Pour some in here. Swirl the brush in, I think. Right? Or maybe I should have just done it directly from the... Yeah, I'm going to do that. That would make sense. Come on. All right, so I'm going to put it back. Move it around, dust it out, and let's see. Okay, gives it like a nice little golden, I like it. A nice little golden glow. And it has the SPF. What do you guys think? Is it is it a true match? I like what it's doing to my color. So now I want to see if I should go back and get another one. Because I like how it's, what it's doing to my skin. This is in the honey beige. And I like it. This would be great for the summer and spring. Because that's when you start to get a little color. And the fact that I could just throw this on. Not put any foundation. Because you know when you put on foundation in the summertime, it starts to just drip off when you're sweating. Especially me, that I sweat a lot. This would be great to just use a powder. And the color is awesome. It looks like it's going with my color. It's matching me. I like it. What do you guys think? And it has a brush. So this is great. I'm not mad at all. I'm actually quite happy that this color is great with my skin color. It's really matching, and it's giving it like a nice golden, I guess because of the honey beige, the honey color that it's giving it. Let me just rub it in some more. Yeah, look what it's doing. This is great. And then you close it up. You know what? I'm going to put back the sticker. Only because I'm afraid that if it moves around, it's going to start to make a mess. I'm going to put the sticker back in. That's exactly what I did. Swirl the brush in the sifter. Okay. Sifter, yeah. And tap off excess before application. Then I'm going to put it back. And then just put the top on. So this is great. I like it. You know what? Sometimes these things are hit or miss. So to me, this was definitely a hit. True match at the Dollar Tree. You can't go wrong. And then I also saw this Wet n Wild blush by Color Icon. And this is the Pearl Essence Pink. This looks like it has some shimmers on it. I'm going to go ahead and even try it out for you guys. Let's see. I don't have a brush, so I'm just going to use my fingers. Let's see what it's doing for me. So this is it. And this is pretty. This is a nice, pretty color for the springtime. Oh, it does have a brush. Okay. All right. So I'm going to make a big old mess like I just did. And I always like to do that when I put the blush on. Just smile a little. Oh, I like that color. Yeah, that's a pretty color. It's not too strong. Not too bright is what I'm saying. Not too strong. It's not too bright. And I like the color a lot, actually. It's Pearl Essence Pink. And it's not too shimmery. I don't like when it's too shimmery, but it's working out for me. It's giving me like a nice little pinky. That's what it's called, right? Pearl Essence Pink by Wet n Wild. This was another great purchase. Okay. All right. Next, I found, you guys have hauled these, and I have been keeping an eye on them, but I haven't really been trying to buy lip products because of the mask and all that, but I'm going to try it out. This is by Maybelline, the color Jolts, and this one is Never Bare. And I also picked up Stripped Down. So, which one should I try? You know what? Maybe I can try both. I did separate a baby wipe to test it out for you guys. And this one is by Maybelline. That's another name brand. So we've already found True Match, name brand, Dollar Tree, Wet n Wild, Dollar Tree, name brand, and Maybelline. So this is it. This is a brush. And let's see how it's coming out. Okay. Oh, it comes out. This is not what I was expecting. I was expecting it to be a little bit more matte. But it comes out almost like a gel type. What does this do? And it smells great. It smells like bubblegum. I like this. It says Go Beyond Gloss. Oh, it's a gloss. It's a lip paint gloss with jolt of intense color. Maybelline's vibrant lip paint delivers 8 times more pigment in every drop. Okay, this is beautiful. And it feels very moisturizing. This one is Never Bare. And it smells like I just want to eat it, like bubblegum. I was not expecting that. I had no expectations. I thought it was just going to be more of a matte lip paint, but this is very moisturizing, nice gloss. I like this. Okay, and I'm going to try out the other one for you guys too. This one is the Stripped Down. Okay, this is the Stripped Down one. And I'm excited to try this one on. I think there was another color, but I don't think it was really perking my interest. So this is Stripped Down, and also it's coming out like a gloss. Oh, that's also beautiful. I like it. Very natural, like a nude color. I like it. Very beautiful. This is Stripped Down. This is like a mauve rose color. Gorgeous. I love it. I love them both. These are 2 beautiful colors for the spring. So go to your Dollar Tree and we'll pick them up. I also picked up these scrunchies. I thought it was a great deal to pick up 2 packs for the price for $1. And this is cute because it's a tie-dye. Everything is now tie-dye tops, tie-dye pants, sneakers, hats. So to find 2 scrunchies for $1 was a great deal. I also found this beautiful headband. I like how the color is like paisley. And I'm going to try it out for you guys as well. Color is pretty. Yeah, that is gorgeous. I love it. Look at the color. It has a teal with a beige. Okay, I'm going to keep it on. This is a great deal. I love it. And then I picked up these sunglasses for the girls. It was by the register. And I figured I could just add these to their baskets. These are some cute little sunglasses with the heart shapes. I got it in pink and I got one in red. So these are gorgeous sunglasses. When they're in the backyard playing around, pop these on. They could take little pictures. So cute. You can't go wrong. And then I picked up these I've been on a hunt for these gel nail polishes. So I picked up the Kiss Gel nail polish and this glitter. And is there, no, this one doesn't have a name. It just has a number. It's DTGNPO5. So this is a beautiful glittery nail polish. Like I have something in my eye. And I also picked up this rose color one. That's gorgeous. And this one is is it the same number? Oh no, okay. This is DTGNPO7. So that's a gorgeous color. You can just use it as a top coat, use it by itself. And then I picked up these Wet n Wild gel color, step 1. I ordered myself the top coat, and this one is in Don't Be Jelly. Beautiful color for the spring. I also picked up Pretty Peas. Like the peas, that's cute. I like that color. And I don't know, I feel like I have something I want to know. Excuse me, guys. I don't know if this was a leftover from Halloween or I don't know. But I thought it would be fun for the girls to play with because it's Glow in the Dark by LA Colors. And this one is called Boo-tastic. So this is a pretty pink to add, and it'll be cute for glow in the dark to do something to do with the girls. Like, you know, we do like our spa day, and that will be cute because they'll think it's fun because it glows in the dark. And then last but not least, I have been trying to just pick up little things that I would need for like any little emergencies or just to keep in the car, or even if you want to take a little road trip and you don't have a toothbrush. I thought these would be neat to have. These are the mini brushes, and it's the no water needed. So let's say you left your toothbrush or you need to brush your teeth, you don't have it, and you're on the go, you don't have it with you. These are great because they already have the toothpaste. There's no water needed, you just brush it right. And it's by Crest with Scope. So I bought 2 just to have as an emergency. You can't beat it. So that was it. I thought I had something else to share with you guys, but I am loving this headband. It's speaking to me right now with this lip gloss. Love it. So that was it, guys. I wanted to share with you my makeup slash headband haul with you guys. I love sharing these items with you guys because you know what? There's nothing wrong with saving a few dollars, and if you can find name brand items at the Dollar Tree, that's wonderful. And I love to share these videos with you guys. Please like, subscribe, and until next time, Discount Diva.